Hey Joakim, welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool image right here, and basically what this is a foldable pop-up laundry basket, or you can also call it a laundry hamper as well. If you can see, the one that we got right here is from this brand, and here is basically what the package looks like when you guys first get it. So first I'm going to open this out to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you guys take it out, if you can see on the piece of paper right here, they provide you guys some specs and features that's on here. If you guys turn to the other side, they show you guys how to use it. But the way how you use it is actually very simple, and I will show you guys in a second. But you can see right here, they do provide guys two of them, and both of them are the same. So I did end up getting the black one, but they do have this available in other colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But let's open this up to show you guys how to use it first. So all you need to do is take off the strap, and then just let it go. And then once you guys open it up, here is basically what the product looks like. So they do have two straps on top for you guys to carry around really easily. Right here is a strap for you guys to strap it back together later on. On both sides, they do have a little hole for you guys to put your hands through if you guys do need to. Here is the bottom, and then here is this side. So you see on this side, they do have the little slot for you to put stuff inside right here if you guys want to. So maybe if you guys want to put like your detergent or like your other stuff on here to keep it separate from the clothes, you definitely have the option available. But in terms of the top part and the bottom part of the material, I believe that material that they use on here is like a water resistant or waterproof material. Where for the side right here is like a mesh material that's breathable. And then throughout the product, they do have a high quality frame that will give you guys the support when you guys do put your clothes or your laundry inside. So if you guys put it down, here is basically what the product looks like. And then the way how you guys put it away is actually very simple. You just want to push it in like this, fold it up this way, and you want to just twist it. And then once it goes back to the original shape right here, you guys can use a strap to strap it back together. And that will hold it in place. So very easy and very simple to set it up and put it away. And I do want to mention that when you guys do feel the material that's on here, it definitely feels like a high quality material. It doesn't feel like a cheap material, which is pretty nice. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we did the unboxing and test the product, now to answer the question of whether or not that's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality foldable laundry hamper, laundry basket, like the one that we got right here, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.